Today, we're going to learn how to load the CN100B in less than 60 seconds. Let's get into it. First, make sure the tool is disconnected from the air supply. Next, let's make sure we got the real deal, the Stinger nail pack. We'll need a coil of 200 nails and a reel of 200 caps. To load the caps, open the cap magazine cover and place the cap reel inside. Feed in the lead cap into the chute until the cap stops. Feed the caps along the feed chute with your fingers until the first cap is under the nose. Next, we gotta load those nails. Press and lift up on the nail gate to open the door. Fit the coil securely inside the basket and insert the lead nail into the nose. Make sure the nails lay flat on the feeder paws. That's it. From here, you just connect the air supply and you're good to go.
Stinger, moisture defense systems.